Looks like we got a letter. We have to pick something up front. Okay. I should have brought in our...
No.
Do you want me to hold something? Craig's doing a good job taking the mail out for us. Back to volunteering today.
Where is everybody?
They'll be here in a little bit. All right, we have to sign in, buddy. Craig's ready to get to work. Craig just walked in and got right to work.
Hi there. Hello. Good day.
Looks like we have enough to keep us busy for 2 hours.
Going hot, right?
Mm-hmm. That's right. Good job. I think Craig's a little tired. Are you sleepy, Craig? No, just resting. Craig's great at folding the towels and the washcloths. All right, we are on our way to Craig's pick of the day, which is, where are we eating at, Craig? I don't think you could hear him, but he said
Firehouse subs.
Right, Firehouse subs. I got it, buddy. It's a bit of a maze to get here. All the way up here, and it says door broken, fuse back. Great. All right, we made it around to the back. And we found the entrance. What? Over here, buddy, over here. Firehouse subs, here we are. And it smells delicious in here. As I look at the menu.
I'll have the rub on a sub. I have a 6-inch with no lettuce, no tomato, no onion.
Craig, have you seen Once Upon a Forest?
Yeah, I knew that when I was a kid. We got this video, right?
Yeah, what's it about?
It's about a trio of furlings must go and find some medicine to cure their sick friend Michelle, as Michael Crawford and Ben Vereen. Done. By this movie, I give it 2 thumbs up.
Okay. Craig, do you like to put together Legos?
Yeah.
Oh.
We make towers.
Mm-hmm. Have you ever put together a Lego set?
Mm-hmm.
What kind?
About castle.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Dad used to do the castles all the time, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
You still have those. They're just taken apart. That's a question from 6-year-old Jude. Okay, and we have another question. What kind of candy do you like to have at the movies?
Jelly beans.
Okay, Craig is having... What's your sandwich called, Craig?
The club on the sub.
A club on a sub, and they accidentally put tomato and lettuce on it, but we took it off and Craig's doing okay with it. Let's take a look. There we go. He got some baked chips and we got a cookie to share. He picked the one with sprinkles. And I got the Italian, which has ham, salami, cheese, lettuce, and some Italian dressing. Plus lettuce and tomatoes. This is my absolute favorite to get here. So how was your sandwich, Craig?
Delicious.
My sandwich is very delicious, but I must warn you, if you get this, you're going to need a lot of napkins. But it's as good as ever. Craig, can you give us a review of Firehouse subs?
Firehouse Subs is the best sandwich restaurant. The sandwich tastes delicious. The waitress seems nice. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, and Craigie Beverly seal of approval.
Oh, we're at Genesis, and we were going to walk on the treadmill, but Craig has a bad case of the hiccups.
And they're terrible.
Yeah, it's very upsetting to him, so I guess we'll try again tomorrow.
I know.
Hopefully these hiccups go away soon. All right, so the hiccups have finally stopped, and now we're going to Walmart to get a few things. How we finally got him to stop is I had Craig take 4 big drinks in a row. I don't know if that's what did it or if it just happened, but I'm glad it worked.
Had a bad, troubling case of hiccups.
But we got rid of them, didn't we?
Yeah.
Joe wanted me to pick up some suet blocks because the woodpeckers really like the suet blocks. Can you pick out a couple of them and put them in the cart, Craig? Now you get the other, yep, 2 of each. That one and the red one. Good job. Now here's the other thing I needed, some potting soil, and now I'm going to see what kind of pots they have and some rose bushes too. So I'm probably not going to get any rose bushes here. Sadness. Craig's still having a hard time getting past the hiccup event. I think he's headed to the DVDs.
New York heading to New Hartford in store 1677. Big shout out going out from Ash to the cashiers. You're doing a great job. Thank you for everything you're doing. Yes, and also big shout out to
They have the radio on really loud in here today. See anything interesting? No? But I see these interesting older movies they have with these cool looking cases.
Stay positive, keep smiling, and a big shout out
What?
to our members.
Dad.
Did that text from Dad say?
2 gallons of windshield washer fluid.
All right, let's go find it. All right, Craig found the hamburger buns that we needed. Craig, can you get some bananas for me? Put them in the cart. Pick out an orange so we can put it on the Oriole feeder and put it in the cart. Good job. Okay, what time is it, Craig?
It's time to read some fan mail.
All right.
Dear Craig, Mom, and Dad, 30-some years ago, God sent you to this earth with the purpose, I believe, to give us hope. You are a bright light in the world. My name is Aaron, and I am from Medford, Massachusetts. Me and my mom love your videos. We hope you guys have got a great Mother's Day. Stay happy and always remember you are loved. You are an outstanding young man. Never give up. Best wishes, Aaron and Candy. The foot has spoken.
You gonna say thank you?
Thank you, Aaron and Candy.
Yes, thank you so much for that very sweet letter.
Thank you so much for the very sweet letter.
Actually, that's what I was saying.
A creative 3D variation lamp. They do have a 3D lamp. And it does.
Maybe Dad needs to help you with that one.
Right.
So what is it? Here, wait. Oh, see they cut it. And then you take that paper off. It's Mickey Mouse. And it's got a base. This is pretty cool. It's got a base. See, it'll set in here. Then you plug it in. And it's got a remote that you can change all the colors until we pull it off. But you can see that it's Mickey Mouse. That'd look really cool on your desk.
Yeah. We'll have to get that set up and plugged in so we can show what it looks like.
I'll put this on the table for you, bud.
Did you say thank you?
Thank you, whoever brings this 3D lamp.
Thank you so much. There wasn't a card in with it to say who it's from.
Wow, a SpongeBob baseball cap.
Oh, that goes with your shirt, kind of.
A gift for you. Hello, Craig. I like your videos. Looking forward to a review of Craig's barbecue sauce. Some of our gifts may arrive later. One gift is for you. Volunteer work at Ronald McDonald's house. Great job from Mark, California. Thank you, Mark.
All right. And there was another gift in that box from Mark.
Well, what do you know? It's my barbecue sauce.
Turn it around so we can see. Oh, here. Craig's barbecue sauce. Oh, here. Looks kind of sassy in there.
Got it turned up middle.
Yep.
Dear Craig and family, I really like your channel. I'm from Norway. I was very excited when I heard that you live in Iowa. Iowa has always been my favorite state. It's been fun to see you guys walk around and visit stores, and restaurants so that I get to see more of the state. It always amazes me how big American stores are. Craig, you inspire me to be a more positive and happier person, and your videos always make me happy. One of the things I decided to include in this letter is some Norwegian chocolate. I hope you like it. Hugs from Helen. Thank you, Helen. Stretch Monsters. A cupcake Hot Wheels. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Oh, can we see?
Looks kind of melted.
Yeah, we might have to let it sit a little bit. You know what this cupcake car reminds me of, Craig?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Well, yes, Wreck-It Ralph too, and it also reminds me of the new Minions Cafe because it has a minion with a cupcake and a cherry on top of it. And the stretchy guy. Okay, Craig's ready with the next one.
Hi, Craig. My name is Becky. I work in a partial hospitalization school as an associate teacher. My classroom currently has a student, which is the max for classroom in this academy. All the students in my classroom are autistic and are such wonderful young men and one girl. I found your videos very recently. I enjoyed them so much. You are so great to watch. It's also nice to see all the things you do and the places you go. I have a student who has one more year here with us because he will be turning 21. He loves to ask everyone he meets when their birthday is, so I was wondering maybe if one of your videos you could say hi to Shake and tell him when your birthday is. That would be so awesome. Keep on making your videos. Have a great day. Becky. P.S. Hello to your wonderful and beautiful mom who does this with you and share with your lives with us. Thanks.
September 17th.
Hi, Shaq. My name is Craigie Vanver, and my birthday is September 17th,
What year?
1992.
All right, let's see what Becky sent.
Stickers! Disney stickers!
Oh, awesome. Those will go on our new countdown we're making. And thank you so much, Becky.
Thank you so much, Becky, for the stickers.
And thank you for your kind words also, and for sharing your story with us.
More
What do you call those?
pins.
Yeah, some more pins. Does it have a note in it? Is there a letter in there or anything?
Nope.
Maybe in, let's see. Here's a look at those pins. So cute. I love these. Like the Mickey bar and the Tigger bar. And we didn't find a note in the package, so whoever sent these, we thank you so much, right, Craig?
Yep. Thank you so much for the pins. Well, what do you know? Collectible friends set. Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Goofy, and Pluto.
Should we open it up and see what they look like?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Let me see those Mickey Mouse figures. Mickey and all his friends. And we don't know who sent this,
Yeah.
but can you say thank you for the...
Thank you for the Mickey collection figures. Excited. Well, I'll be Loudhouse Figurines.
Let's see. What are their names again?
Lucy, Lincoln, Lori, and Luna.
The Loud House is your favorite, isn't it?
Yep.
Can you say something that one of the Loud House characters says?
Rock on, dude.
Which one says that?
Luna Loud.
Which one's your favorite?
Luna the rock star. She loves rock and roll.
This one didn't have a note either.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a note in there, buddy.
A gift for you. Hi, my name is Craig Casey, and I'm from Minnesota. My wife and I love to watch your videos. We are big fans of Disney and Universal and are going to Florida in September too. Have a great day from Casey and Ashley Vanderbilt. Thank you, Casey and Ashley.
Maybe we'll see them when we're in Florida.
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay.
No, 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 Batman. No, 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 Batman. No, 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 Batman. 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 Look, it's Batman.
What does Batman say?
I am Batman, the Black Knight.
Did it have any papers inside of it? No, in the box. Is there a note or anything?
Nope.
No? Well, thank you, whoever sent this Batman. That's a lot of fun.
Thank you for sent this Batman. No, 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 Batman. No, 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 Batman. Okay.
Let's see if I can get that part open. There. Wow. Let's see, what is it, Craig? Turn it around. Oh,
Chewbacca.
Oh, that's adorable. He makes the Chewbacca sound. Oh, here. We're gonna have to wait till he's out of the box. There's such a glare on it that we can't see it. But we'll take him out of the box and see, so everyone can see him. And turn. Let's see.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh, that's cute. That's kind of like Dusty used to have one like that, or he probably still has it.
And it's a big Grogu.
He's a cutie, isn't he?
Yep. There's another note. Dear Craig, I get great joy out of watching your videos. You always put a smile on my face. Seems like you have a wonderful family. I hope you enjoy these gifts. Take care, buddy, and may the force be with you. Your friend, Tam Bevan. Thanks, Tam.
That's so very
Tam.
nice.
Tam.
Tam. Thank you, Tam.
Thank you, Tam.
Those are wonderful gifts.
But this one's better.
That's your favorite?
Yep.
You always like Dusty's. We'll have to get him out of the box when we're done. Okay.
A gift for you. Hi, Craig. I love watching your videos. I lost my mom a few years ago, and it brings me joy to see you and your family having fun together. Enjoy these gifts from Courtney. Thank you, Courtney.
Oh, this is cool.
It's Mickey and his friends.
It's the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad set. Turn it around so we can see the front. Oh, those are so cool. It is. It's the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad Mickey and Friends set. Those are so cool, Craig. We're gonna have to open all these so you can and get them out so we can see them. What are you looking at? You turning them off? Oh, gotcha. I think he likes it.
Then I'll take all these. Four of
Okay.
these and this one too.
You're gonna carry those? Okay. Our bright and sunny day turned rainy. And it's cooled down. It feels like at least 20 degrees. It was almost 90 degrees today. I'll have to see what it is now, but it feels like 60 to me. Might not be that cool. You hear the thunder? And it's just starting to rain.
I hate to put the hummingbird feeders in because if this blows over, then they're gonna want something. Oh, I think I just see one. Looks like he was having trouble flying though.
Yeah.
It's really windy up above.
Yeah, it's windy.
You see all the little leaves all cracking them up on top.
It's been windy all day long, actually. It's time to try the Norwegian chocolate. It was a little melty when we got it because we had left our packages in the car. So I put it in the refrigerator.
Mmm. Tastes like Norwegian.
Tastes like Norwegian chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
How many thumbs up for the chocolate? It's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's better than our chocolate in America.
Mm-hmm.
The closest thing that I could compare it to is Cadbury.
When springtime comes in his warm winter den, a bear wakes up very hungry and thin. He waddles outside and roots all around. He digs and he paws, fresh shoots from the ground. He nibbles on his lawn, till the last blade is gone. But the bear wants more. Mouse scampered by with his acorn pail. Come along, Mouse squeaks, to Strawberry Vale. So up Mouse hops onto Bear's big back. They tramp through the woods for a fresh fruit snack. The berries grow sweet, and they eat. But the bear wants more. The noon sun glows when all along hops hair. Good day, friend Mouse. How do, friend Bear? I'm hungry, roared Bear. Hare says, follow me. There's a fresh clover patch by the cottonwood tree. They nibbled on their lunch with a crunch, crunch, crunch. But the bear wants more. Badger shuffles by with his new fishing pole. There's a fine fish feast at the old fishing hole. They head to the pond, and they sit by the shore. Bear catches fish, but he still wants more. Meanwhile, back at the big bear's den, wait Gopher and Mole and with Raven and Wren. They bake honey cakes, they decorate the lair. It's a springtime party for their good friend Bear. Bear rubs at his tummy. Bear smells something yummy, and he still wants more. Bear sniffs and he snuffles as a sweet breeze blows. He romps to his home, he follows his nose. His friend yells, surprise, when he gets to his den. But Bear is so big that he can't fit in. Bear wails, what luck! I am stuck at my own front door. Mouse squeaks, poor Bear, and he is wedged too tight. Hare tugs, Raven pushes with all their might. Badger gets a stick, and he pries so hard that Bear pops out and he lands in his yard. Since Bear's so wide, their party outside, and he still wants more. Bear opens presents. He gobbles honey cakes. He eats so much that his big tummy aches. He snuggles in the grass, and he snores big snores. He is full, but his friends want more. The end. And this is Craigie Evers saying, keep on having a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.